In this video, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp group link in TikTok. So first of all, open up your WhatsApp application and open the group of which you want to copy the link. So now on this group, you have to tap on its name that is present at the top center of your screen. Now on the group's information, you have to scroll down and tap on invite to group via link. Now simply tap on the link which is present at the top of your screen. So once you're done, you have to come to your TikTok application and tap on your profile which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. So now from here, you have to tap on edit profile. In edit profile, you will see an option that says links. So you have to tap on that. In links, you will see an option that says website. So you have to tap on that. In website, you simply have to paste the link of your WhatsApp group that you just copied and tap on save, which is present at the top right side of your screen. So by doing this, you will be able to easily add the link of your WhatsApp group on your TikTok profile. One thing that you should know is that come back to your edit profile and first of all, you have to enable the categories. So tap on category and just select a category of your choice. Because if you haven't selected a category, you won't be able to create a clickable link on your TikTok application. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.